Here are the causes of heart murmurs. Aortic stenosis is caused by rheumatic heart disease or idiopathic age-related calcification. Mitral stenosis is most likely caused by rheumatic heart disease or infective endocarditis. Aortic regurgitation is most likely caused by Ehlers-Danlos syndrome, idiopathic age-related weakness, or Marfan syndrome. And finally, mitral regurgitation is most likely caused by rheumatic heart disease, infective endocarditis, ischemic heart disease, or connective tissue disorders. You can get these heart murmur summaries off my Etsy store at the link in my profile. Causes of heart murmurs are popular questions in medical school exams, so make sure to save this video for later.